To use PayPal Credit, start by logging into your PayPal account and looking for the PayPal Credit option. If you do not see it, you may need to apply for it first. Applying for PayPal Credit is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some basic information such as your date of birth, income, and social security number. Once you have applied and been approved for PayPal Credit, you can use it to make purchases online at millions of merchants that accept PayPal. To do this, simply select PayPal as your payment method at checkout and then choose PayPal Credit as your funding source. When using PayPal Credit, you will have the option to pay for your purchase over time with interest-free payments if paid in full within a promotional period, or you will be charged interest on your purchase. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of your PayPal Credit account to understand the interest rates and repayment terms. To make a payment on your PayPal Credit account, log into your PayPal account and select the Make a Payment option. You can choose to make a minimum payment, pay your current balance, or pay a fixed amount. It is recommended to pay more than the minimum payment to avoid accumulating interest and to pay off your balance as quickly as possible. Best practices for using PayPal Credit include making on-time payments, keeping your utilization rate low, and avoiding late fees. It is also crucial to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to PayPal immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use PayPal Credit to make purchases online and manage your account responsibly. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account and make informed decisions about your purchases and payments to avoid accumulating debt and interest charges.